What are the benefits of nutritional yeast? Yeast has been a significant component of the human diet for countless years. This fungus is an essential component of beer, bread, and numerous other meals. Many people have started taking nutritional yeast in recent years, a particular kind of yeast. This variety of yeast contains nutrients that may boost a person's immune system, give them more energy, and provide other health advantages. In this video, we will learn about the benefits of nutritional yeast and how to incorporate it into a healthful diet. Here are the 5 benefits of nutritional yeast. Number 1. Boosting energy. Although some producers fortify nutritional yeast with vitamin B12, it is advisable to verify the label as not all of them do. Given that a lack of this vitamin can cause weakness and exhaustion, vitamin B12 may assist increase energy. If nutritional yeast contains vitamin B12, which is primarily found in animal products, it can be very beneficial for vegetarians and vegans. The daily need for adults is 2.4 mcg of vitamin B12. The amount in just a quarter of a cup of nutritional yeast is more than 7 times greater. Number 2. Supporting the immune system. The strain of yeast found in nutritional yeast has been demonstrated in studies to enhance the immune system and lessen inflammation brought on by bacterial infection. Diarrhea may also be treated with success with it. Number 3. Promoting skin, hair, and nail health. According to certain studies, nutritional yeast helps prevent hair loss and brittle nails. Additionally, it might treat other typical skin issues like acne, especially in adolescents. Number 4. Improving glucose sensitivity. Despite the fact that some people think nutritional yeast helps type 2 diabetics with their glucose sensitivity, studies have not yet supported this claim. However, some studies have shown that chromium-enriched yeast, which is often brewer's yeast, can lower fasting blood glucose levels and cholesterol in an animal model. Number 5. Supporting a healthy pregnancy. A healthy pregnancy can also be supported by nutritional yeast. To prevent congenital defects and promote the growth of the fetus, the United States Preventive Services Task Force advises that all women who are contemplating a pregnancy take 400 to 800 mcg of folic acid daily. Folic acid is routinely added to nutritional yeast by manufacturers, making it a valuable supplement for expectant mothers. However, before using nutritional yeast as a supplement, people should speak with a doctor because some kinds may include more folic acid than a typical serving. Thank you for watching. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell.